Hello, Glamour Moments. Happy New Year. So I'm here in Schaumburg, Illinois. And let's do some walking. It's warm outside, so let's have some our steps to accomplish today. Sure. So there's Marriott Hotel here and some buildings here. So walk lang tayo around. So back to office tayo today. Yan ang Marriott. So ikot lang tayo around the corner para makapag-steps. This is me. Medyo malamig pa yung hangin. Layo din pala. So there's Holiday Inn Express and Suites, another hotel nearby this area. I haven't been there, so ngayon ko lang nakita tong hotel. Nice. So if you're staying around Schaumburg or doing shopping, you can stay here, nearby the mall. So medyo malayo na tayo. I had already like 4,000 steps already. Medyo mahangin na, but the sun helps to get warm. Dami ko nakain sa opening day namin eh. So ikot lang tayo doon. Beautiful weather. Sana ganito pag winter.